it's Nicole, and that dog right there likes shadows. So I'm gonna show you her shadow hunting. She's she's like, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Where'd it go? She wants to get it. She's chasing that shadow. Where'd it go? Where'd the shadow go? She's getting mad. And that is Shadow Dog Trixie. We're like, where's the shadows? You want more? Come on. She wants more shadows. She will stare at that wall until the shadow comes.